You have to try this amazing 3-ingredient sugar-free low-carb flourless cake. It is rich, creamy, and fluffy with a smooth frosting that is so good.
Yum.
This cake is a guilt-free treat that will not ruin your diet. Let me show you how easy it is to make this delicious and healthy flourless cake. First, take 8 medium-sized eggs and carefully separate the yolks from the whites into separate bowls. Make sure the bowls are clean and dry. Be gentle to avoid breaking the yolks, as you need the whites to remain pure for whipping to achieve the right fluffy texture for your cake. Next, using an electric mixer, beat the egg whites on medium-high speed until stiff peaks form. It usually takes about 5 to 6 minutes. The egg whites should be able to hold their shape firmly when you lift the beaters out of the bowl. In another bowl, add 1 cup of full-fat plain cream cheese to the egg yolks. Use a whisk to mix them together until smooth. Whisk until there are no lumps and the mixture is well combined with an even texture. Next, gently fold the beaten egg whites into the cream cheese and egg yolk mixture. Use a spatula to slowly combine the two mixtures. Be careful not to mix too vigorously. You want to keep the egg whites fluffy and airy. Continue folding until the mixtures are well incorporated, but still light and fluffy, as you can see in the video here. Now, lightly grease your round baking tray or springform pan with butter to prevent sticking. Pour the batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Then, place the pan in the preheated oven and bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes until it is golden brown on the top. After baking, let the cake cool slightly before removing it from the pan. Next, to prepare the frosting, pour 1 cup of heavy whipping cream into a clean bowl. Using an electric mixer, beat the cream until stiff peaks form. This will take about 5 minutes. Once the cake has cooled, carefully remove it from the baking tray. Use a knife to loosen the edges before taking it out. Next, using a serrated knife, carefully slice the cake horizontally through the middle to create 2 even layers. Place the bottom layer on a serving plate and spread a generous layer of whipped cream over the bottom layer. Now, carefully place the top layer back on. Then, spread the remaining whipped cream evenly over the top and sides of the cake using a spatula. Doesn't that cake look delicious? This flourless cake is a real treat. It is light and fluffy with a creamy, rich flavor, and the whipped cream frosting adds a nice, smooth touch. It is not overly sweet, but has just enough sweetness to feel indulgent. Perfect for when you are on a diet and want a treat that is guilt-free and low-carb. If you liked the sugar-free flourless cake recipe, then check out also how to make this deliciously creamy 2-ingredient sugar-free low-carb ice cream here. Check it out now.